Today we are digging up cabbage, year one biennials, which means that they need 2 seasons to create seeds, to flower and produce seeds. In our Iowa climate, we cannot overwinter these in the field because it gets too cold. So what we do is we dig them up and we pot them up and we store them in the root cellar so that they can overwinter in a more mild climate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dig up these. The general rule is that you want to overwinter, whether it's in the field or in a root cellar, crops that are teenage years old. So teenage level. So this collard is starting to tighten up to create a head, but not quite yet. So you want to remove the soil from the roots. You want to keep a pretty robust root system. And then we're going to trim off the outer leaves, understanding that the most important part of the plant right now is the root and the growth point. So I'm going to take off some of these larger ones because the plants don't need to photosynthesize in storage. They just need to survive in a dormant state. So we will be taking off those. I have a bucket of peat moss already created. Then I'm going to plant it right in here. And I can fit a couple more, and then it'll overwinter like this. We will plant this out in early spring, in April. Plant this outside and it should send a stalk up with flowers, and then we can harvest seed off of it.